Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 3rd to 7th November 2025. So let's go straight to our chart first. So let's check out the GBP USD pair on Friday. What happened on Friday? So here we can see 0.02% negative move. 1.31460 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week momentum. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. If I talk about the weekly chart candle, we can see a bearish candle with a good big body and a medium lower and upper wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is at oversold area, which is indicating as a positive momentum, which is indicating as a bullish momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for or depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here let's open a one-day chart first. So here, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload. Soon I'll be sharing a crypto analysis as well. So do consider subscribing to my channel, click on the bell icon. So here we can see there are already important support zones and resistance zones are marked. I just need to change few data points. I am changing that, so you can also do the changes on your chart as well. So currently I have almost changed the data. So let's now mark some. Let's talk about the closing first over here. So let me just zoom this level so that you can see properly. So if I talk about the closing here, 1.13460 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.31437 and direct resistance is 1.31734. After direct support, there is a support of 1.131200 and then 1.30979. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.32035 and then 1.32430. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, I have shared 20% discount code which will help you to get a 20% discount on any challenges that you buy from Blueberry Funded. Currently, if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair and GBP USD pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive momentum or a positive closing for this week. I'm expecting a closing in this range, that is 1.31734 to 1.32035. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. If you're looking for any bearish trade, then only go for a bearish trade. Once 1.131437 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short trade 1.31200, even 1.30979. So these are two levels. I'm expecting a positive momentum in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.